Another day of working on the basement. Last time we got that side of the basement primed and that wall painted. That's primed. I know it doesn't look like it because of the way the light is shining, but it is. So now we're from here this way and that hallway that needs some quick mudding, just the last coat, and then sand and prime this side. So hopefully we get that all done today. I'm gonna quickly do the sanding, a little more mudding, and then prime it. Also, am I the only one that can't start working in a dirty space? Like, I just can't work in a super dirty, messy space. This was getting a little out of control. I know it still looks like a mess, but it's an organized mess. And cleaned up this. I'm gonna sweep the floor and clean up some stuff, move that stuff, clean up some stuff here before I can even start working. I have to. And I've already done some cleanup. I can't start working in a messy place. It just doesn't work. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's OCD. Maybe it's ADHD. Maybe it's all of the above. I was supposed to get tested for all of them when I was younger. My parents said no. He's a kid. So I agree with that. I don't care. I take it as use it as a tool, not a disadvantage. So I actually got smart this time. Put the respirator on for final coat of sand. And then we're gonna prime. Just jam it out, get some sanding done, get some priming done.
I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Hey. Look at this. Look at this. These poles need to be done yet. They are not done. But primer, drywall, mudding, taping, primer, done. That feels so good. So thank you guys for sticking with me for another short episode, I think, of basement renos. And day 54, I believe, of 365 days. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. See you guys tomorrow.